Hello, I am Dr. Sonal Agarwal, Consultant Dermatologist, Pranam Hospital, Madina Gudda. Today I am here to talk about a very common skin problem, which is acne, which is faced by most of us. Almost 70 to 90% of people around us face it. It can present to us in various forms, like very small eruptions in the form of whiteheads or blackheads, which we commonly see, to pustules, and then again even bigger lesions which are very deep as nodules. They are very painful and they are very embarrassing for the patients, and they give a lot of stress to the patients in their daily life. So it is very important to treat them timely so that we do not go to that greater stage of the disease. How does the acne occur is initially because of increased sebum production, as the oil forming glands in our skin are producing more oil. The hair follicle unit, which is present in our skin, is actually blocked by increased production of the cells, and which leads to the accumulation of the sebum underneath, which leads to the formation of the whitehead and the blackheads. Slowly the bacteria in our skin, which is the Propionibacterium acnes, is also increased with it, and it brings along with it a lot of inflammation, which leads to the inflammation in the skin and pain and the various presentations of the whiteheads, blackheads and the nodules. There are a few causes which increase the acne further, like if you are exposed to very hot and humid climate, it will give you more acne. If you are using more of products like cosmetics, foundations and all, and some daily products which are not suitable for your skin and you are using it, it will give you more pimples. Also, if your food habits are not very good, like if you are eating a lot of junk food, ice cream, sweets, high glycemic index foods, you can get more bouts of pimples. Sometimes the hormonal imbalance also plays a very big role in acne production. Conditions like PCOD are very commonly associated, and we have to look for it and evaluate them accordingly. So that is why you should always consult the dermatologist and proceed with the treatments so that you don't face any of this, and even if you face, it can be controlled on time. There are many treatments available in the forms of gels, creams, oral medication, which are prescribed and which are very safe on a daily basis, and it will maintain your skin well. Also, there are different procedures like chemical peelings and all available, which works very easily and are very simple treatment which exfoliates your skin. They will unclog your pores and control the pimples, and also it will give you a very good texture of the skin. Also, it will take out the pimple spots, and acne scars, which is a big complication of it, can be taken care in the prior stage. Otherwise, in the later stage, acne scars are a very difficult to handle issue, and a scar will always be a scar, but timely treatment can improve it. Treating acne is very important, as there are many side effects, and which are very common ones, like pigmentation or the acne spots, which we commonly call them, and acne scars. Once a scar is always a scar, so we have to treat it. And like when we do like treatment options like microneedling, laser, it will improve the appearance of the scar, but it won't heal completely. That is why treating the acne in the time when you are getting the bumps is very important. There are various modalities available in the forms of creams, treatments and oral medication, which are very safe and very simple to use, and they have no side effects. So giving them, if you take them, it's a very good option. Also, there are other procedures like chemical peeling, which is a very simple and safe procedure done in our clinics, and it will exfoliate your skin very minimally, take out the pimple marks, make your skin less oily, give your skin a good texture. So we can always proceed with them, and you should always book the dermatologist appointment to do it.